Hello and welcome to today's topic, installation of Python. So without further delay, let's get into the video. Myself Ramoji Chandana, I'm working as instructor in Fremity EduTech. So here are the contents of the video: how to download Python and what are the installation steps behind Python, how to confirm whether it is installed on your system or not, is installation is possible in Ubuntu. So downloading Python is very easy with these 4 steps. First of all, you have to go any latest browser. So then in the search bar you have to type python.org.downloads. Then it redirects to the python.org original page. Then it shows you the page. Then the page shows you to download which version and for which operating system. Then click download the version. So it start downloading. Here now let us see practically. First of all, go to a web browser. Mine is Chrome. So then type python.org downloads. So mine is a operating system. Mine operating system is Windows. So download Python 11.3 for Windows. If you are using a different, so then go to Linux or Unix or Mac OS. If you are using, for example, you are using Mac OS, then go to Mac OS. Then it shows you results for Mac OS. So if you want to download this version, then you may have to go for this. So mine is Windows, so I am downloading for Windows. So just click on download Python 3.11.3. It starts downloading python.exe. So after completing, you have to click on it. Then it opens a dialog box to show install Python 11.3. If you want to customize your installation, means you have to install, or you want to decide which you want to install, or which you have to import into your Python, then you have to go for optional features. Otherwise you want to install it, so then just click on install now. So it go to installation step. It might take a little bit time. After installing this, you have stuck into a doubt. So after I installed Python, but my system had it or not. So if you have get into this doubt, then no worries. You just do one thing. Wait until it completes its installation. So whether if it completes its installation, then another dialog box opens. It shows the version of 3.11.3 is installed in your system and asks to cancel that dialog box. So wait until it install that. So yep, it is easy to verify that Python is installed in your system or not. You have to check it by using a command line or integrated development environment, ideally in application, by just typing a simple command python ---- version. Then it shows you which version you have installed. Means if you are installed Python 3.9.10, then it shows Python 3.9.10. Otherwise you installed 3.10.10, it shows Python 3.10.10. So let's check whether it's yes, the setup was successful. Then you just to click on close. Go to command line or any ideally I am using command line. So just type python ---- version. Yes, the setup was completed. It shows Python 3.11.3. The installation process is completed. After the installation completed, you begin to start working in it. So if you ask me, is that possible to install or work Python in Ubuntu? Yes, of course, you have used Python in Ubuntu system also. To do this, first you have to fire up the terminal. using Alt Control T. Then you have to run some specific commands for to install Python. Then you should type sudo apt install python 3 because Python 3 is the latest, so it downloads the latest version of Python without any further specifications. So next, if you ask me if there are any alternative resources without downloading, installing and all these stuff, yes, you have many different resources to work with without installation and without downloading and without any hesitations, like GDB compiler. You better do this. You only go to your web browser, then in the search bar you type GDB compiler, then it redirects to online GDB compiler debugger. Then click on this, then it redirects to this page. Go to this page and select the language. So I want with Python 3, so I select the Python 3. Then write the commands in the console. So I want to print my name, Ramoji Chandana. So I usually pass the command as Ramoji Chandana. So then you have to click on run. Yeah, it here it shows the output as hello world and Ramoji Chandana. Then yes, VS Code. VS Code is nothing but a Visual Studio Code. If you are good to use in Visual Studio Code, then nothing fear about Python. You have to go on extensions. Then there you have a Python extension. Click on add Python extension, then it adds you the Python. So then you used to work with the Python extension also. So what is Google Colab? What is Google Colab? Google Colab is nothing but Google provides a platform to work with Python, that is a Google Colab. You go to the Google Colab, then it asks you to connect. Yes, you have to sign in. Yes, my sign in is completed. So welcome to Colaboratory. It shows you welcome to Colaboratory. Then a brief introduction about Colaboratory is there. So here you work with the text or code. Okay, then what is a Jupyter Notebook? Jupyter Notebook is also a Python developing platform. Here you go to type jupyter.org, then it redirects you to the Jupyter original page. Then here you have a install or you have use it on a web page also. Then if you ask me, what is this decoder? Decoder is nothing but also a web or a real-time application. You only used to do is just go to the website and it asks you for simple sign-in steps. Sign in with your Google account. Then you should go here, create file, name the file. I am naming it hello. So you have to specify the language. I want Python 3, so I am directly going to Python 3. Okay, start editor with template code. Okay, then click OK. Then it opens a console. If here you want print, again I am printing my name, please don't be mind. So I am printing as simple Ramoji. Then run code. It opens another console to show the output. Here with these simple steps you can work with Python in several different platforms. Here it is for the video. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.